In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create another Zoom account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Once that's done, you'll want to navigate to the official Zoom website at zoom.com. This will bring you to the Zoom homepage, where the magic begins. Once you're on the website, take a look for the profile icon. It's often found in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that icon. After you click, you'll see several options pop up. What you want to look for here is the option that says Add Account. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where you'll choose your login method. Zoom gives you a few options for this, which is really convenient. You can input your email address and create a new account that way. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker process, you can instantly link an existing account. Zoom allows you to do this using your Google, Apple, Microsoft, or Facebook accounts, or even through your organization's single sign-on, sometimes referred to as SSO. Choose whichever method you feel most comfortable with. If you opt to enter your email address, be sure to check for any verification emails that Zoom might send your way. Just follow the prompts in that email to complete your account setup. On the other hand, if you choose to connect using one of the existing accounts, simply log in as you normally would for that service, and Zoom will handle the rest. Once you've selected your login method, follow the on-screen prompts that appear next. These help guide you through the final steps. It's generally pretty straightforward, just a matter of confirming some details and ensuring that everything looks right before finishing up. Finally, once you've completed all these steps, you will be taken directly to your new Zoom dashboard. And here's where the fun really begins. From your dashboard, you can start hosting or joining meetings right away. Whether you want to set up a virtual coffee chat with a friend or run a professional meeting, you're all set to go. Creating another Zoom account is an easy process, and it can be very handy for keeping your personal and professional life separate, or simply for managing multiple teams or projects. Now that you know how to do it, I encourage you to give it a try. And remember, if you encountered any hiccups during the process, don't hesitate to check the Zoom support pages. They're a valuable resource if you need further assistance. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. It really helps out the channel and allows me to keep creating helpful content just for you.